Taylor, I've got your paper. I'm gonna look at your work here in a second.
Sure.
We are now we're going to 7-6. We have 2 sections left, and then we will, I did tell you your test is now Tuesday, right? No, I didn't, Mason. Did I? No, I
I
didn't.
thought I heard a Wednesday, to be honest.
No.
Today is Wednesday.
No, next Wednesday, bingo.
Okay.
Bingo. What's that like 30 days before we get out?
Taylor, I've had so many different
I know.
calendars. It's like, y'all just write what you want. I don't even care.
I wrote it on deck.
Today is Wednesday, yes. Okay, changing gears. I'm pretty sure you cannot see that. There we go. Okay.
I don't know what we just did.
I'll show you. Whoops, wrong one. Okay, so what we did yesterday, kind of going backwards. Okay, I had to go, make sure you're taking notes. Okay, I'm just giving you a heads up. What you did that was due today, if you look at all 7 problems, each problem had log in the problem. Okay, here, number 1, we had the matching logs, and what could we do with that? We canceled them, so we got rid of it. And number 2, we took it out of log form and put it in what form? Exponential form. So today, we're going to do the opposite.
Oh, great.
I know. So I'm going to give you an example, and you're going to say, this is in what form? What form is that in? Exponential form. So today, we're going to use log form to solve for, what's our variable? X. So we're just doing the reverse.
Is it 3 to the X?
3 to the X equals 17. All right, so I'm going to write some steps.
It's not a whole number.
No, this is calculators. You will definitely use them. All right, first step, isolate the base
You divide by 3.
no, it's already done. Step 2, you're going to take,
Is it already, like, in the problems, are they already gonna be done for us, or do we have to?
both.
Alright.
Good question. Take the log of both sides. Again, what you do on one side, guys, what do you do? The same on the other, okay? Here is step 2. Number 1, check. Number 2, take the log of both sides. All we do is we say log to the 3x. I'm going to put parentheses just to make sure my exponent is secure right there, equals log 17.
Is there going to be a 10 there?
Okay, so no, I like it. What is understood to be there if we don't see 10? Okay, now, let me give you a timeout real quick. Yesterday, y'all asked for some extra work on properties. You remember that? Okay. I said 2 things. I said what we will do, I don't remember exactly what I said, but today we will use the properties to review, but I've also printed out some extra problems for review. Okay, I got to go pick them up at the printer when I'm done with these. So right now, I'm looking at this first one. Thinking of the power rule of the properties. Here's my exponent. Cameron, where is this exponent going to go?
In front.
In front. Yes. So step 3 is just use your properties. Okay. In this case, we have a power that's x, and then we're gonna solve. So number 2, we've done. Number 3, we're going to move this x in front. X log 3 equals log 17. Let me scoot this up so you have room. Okay, I'm gonna stop there and I want you to look at it. We just finished step 3. What variable are we solving for? X. There is one step left and we're done.
Divide by the log of 3.
Yes. Okay, guys, this is a number. It's an irrational number. This is also a number. It's irrational. It's just a number. So if you had, don't write this down. If you had 4x equals 20, how would you solve that?
Divide by 4.
Divide by 4. It's the same thing. Okay? It looks different. Guys, we're getting into pre-cal. Okay? A lot of trigonometry coming up. Okay? Things are going to look a little different. The rules stay the same.
Are we like learning anything about trigonometry?
Not fully. We'll touch the surface. So now we're going to divide by log 3. And you will get your calculators out now. I'm going to use my pencil and I'm going to cross out log 3 just so you know that's the whole point. And
I know it's approximately 2.58.
okay, if you need help putting in the calculator,
Can you hit the log button?
you hit the log. So here's my math, right? Let's see, I'm trying to see what shows up for that.
I got 2.58.
2.58 is your answer. Log
Got it.
17, close parentheses, divide by log 3, close parentheses, and you hit enter. And your x is approximately, there's my fancy symbol, 2.58 is your answer. Please round to the nearest hundredth or thousandth. That's 2 to 3 decimals.
You said the 100?
Or thousandths, tenths, hundredths,
Gotcha.
thousandths, I'll take a third one, okay?
So like this one said 2.57, and then you look at the
Mhm.
other one, it's 8, and then you do that.
Yeah, but then, I remember you no, 8 to 9, and then we can make the 7 with 8, and then the 5.
I want you to do this one by yourself.
I don't know, like, rounding.
1 through 4, down 4, 5.
Oh my goodness. All right, guys, this is, you do this one by yourself. Use your steps. Number 1 is already done. You've isolated your base. 9 to the x equals 49. You should get a positive number. Did you get it?
Wait, like not a decimal?
Oh, yeah. That's right.
Oh,
You'll get a positive decimal. Yes, you definitely will get decimals.
okay. I was gonna say like the answer.
Who's got an answer? Taylor, what'd you get?
X is approximately 1.77.
Who got 1.77?
Why wouldn't you divide 9 by 49?
Because the x is over here.
9.
The x is over here.
So you're gonna divide 49 by 9?
Mm-hmm.
You don't put it in order?
What's that?
You don't put it in order?
Order of what?
Order from right to left, like log 9 divided by log 49.
Well, I didn't change any order. The X is over here, so I need to move this over. Any questions on this one? Going once.
This is like easier than like the last topic.
All right, well, let's do a harder one. All right, look at the third example. We'll just do more of these. You'll see it catches on. Step one, we got to fix this. What's wrong with this problem? We need this, the base and the exponent isolated. What do I do with this positive 3? Subtract 3 on both sides. Okay, so now I'm left with 9 to the x plus 10 equals, what's 81 minus 3? 78. I only feel like half of y'all are listening. I hope you're taking notes. 2. Now do log on both sides. Even though this exponent looks different, I'm treating it the same. Okay, please. So now we have log 9 to the x plus 10 equals log 78. Property. Let's use our properties. This exponent, where does it go, Cameron? Just like it did before. It goes in front. X plus 10, I'm going to keep it together. Log 9 equals log of 78. Now, stop there and make sure you see what I've done. Nothing's different. The exponent looks different. The work is the same. Are we okay with that? All right, now, the next step, again, is exactly the same. Here's my exponent. I'm going to divide by what?
9.
Log 9. So I'll just use pink. What you do on one side, you do on the other. Okay, this is going to cancel. I'm trying to do parentheses to isolate it if I don't get there quick. All right, so what I'm left with is x plus 10 equals. What am I equal to?
1.98.
You already did it? Nice. If you didn't know where that came from, in your calculator, you just do log 78 divided by log 9. Guys, now it's really simple math. You subtract what number? You should get a negative number. Hello? Hey. I do not. Is it for you? What's wrong? Oh dear, I don't. Ask Miss Knight, she usually has everything. She's not. No, she just got word. She's not. Yep. Yeah, call her. Stop. Okay. So x plus 10 equals positive 1.98. Subtract 10 on both sides. What is the answer for x? Whoops.
Negative 8.02.
Approximately, sorry. Negative 8.02. Who likes this better? Right? I would agree. All right, I'm gonna give you one to do by yourself. I'll give you two, actually. I'm gonna go to the printer, okay, and get the property sheet I'm printing out for you. Y'all remind me I'm recording, so I don't record.
I'll make sure you're recording.
Well, I am. I just don't want to forget to turn it off. All right, so there's that. Okay, here's two problems to do by yourself. Can you see this? There we go. 3, 2x plus 4 equals 8. And I'll just do halfway. 7 to the 4x plus 3 equals 5. What should you do first in this second example? Subtract 3. So here are two problems. I want you to work on those by yourself. I'm gonna go to the printer and, yeah. Y'all good? Okay. For this material, I only have 4 questions for you, so. All right, I'll be right back.
Had to go up. Like, 5, 8, 9, on the line, or something.
I don't know, to be honest with you.
How we doing?
Doing very well.
I'm just gonna put this here for a second, okay? All right, let's look at the first one. Who wants to do this out loud? Zach, go for it. What's the first step?
Put the logs in front, so it'd be 2x plus 4, log 3 equals log 8.
Good.
And divide log 3, or divide log 8 by log 3.
Yeah, good.
And
So what happens to this right here?
it cancels.
Good. All right, let me stop you. So far, so good? All right, keep going.
Then you get 1.89,
You talking about this here?
Yeah.
Okay.
and then you subtract 4, which gives you negative 2.1.
Okay.
And then you divide by 2.
And what's your answer?
Negative 1.054.
Negative. I'm gonna do
I
it.
got negative 1.15.
For some reason, I have my answer. Log.
Oh, yeah,
No,
that's just right.
no, it's negative
Every
1.006.
Okay, so right now you have 1.89. That is correct. 2x plus 4, bring everything down, equals 1.89. So far, everybody got that? And Jenny, what do you do from there? What'd you get?
I got, what are we at? Hold on, last 4, I got negative 2.11, and then I divided it by 2, and got negative 1.15, because I rounded. I didn't get
Whatever the
0.
first number.
Yeah.
No, it's
Yeah.
actually negative 1.006.
Okay, so, hold on one second. I'm keeping this in, so look, if you look at my work here, can you see that?
Yeah, I forgot how to round.
Well, you don't have to round if you keep it in your calculator. Look, I did my log 8, log 3, I kept it in there, took 4 away, right? Do you see it? -4. There's my answer, and then you divide by 2.
Or not just round first number.
You can, you should still be, you might be a tenth off or something. So if you did 1.89 minus 4, you got that,
Yeah.
right? And then divided by 2.
And then I rounded to 0, 1, and then kept the 5.
So,
I mean,
Negative-
I could've made it a 6. Yeah, I could've made it a 1.
yeah. There you go. I mean, 100, it's not gonna, these will probably be multiple choice anyway. All right, let's do the next one, and then I will explain your homework. First step for this one, we subtract 3, right? So you have 7 to the 4x equals 2. Now what? You should get here, log 7 equals log 2. What do I do now? Divide by log 7 on both sides. Okay, that cancels. You have 4x equals. All right, I'm gonna clear. Log 2, close parentheses, divided by log 7, close parentheses, and you get this. 0.36, right? And then you divide by 4. I'm going to say 0.09. Who got that right? Good. Isn't this stuff much? Is this better, guys? Okay. All right, let me pause the video.